At MTL, we would like to introduce you to the only diagnostics product you need to keep your Foundation Fieldbus network healthy. F809F Plus from MTL. F809F Plus benefits include providing simple diagnostics you can act on, prompting repair of emerging faults before they impact the process, delivering information straight into the control system diagnostics environment, speeding project startup by discovering installation errors, maintaining high availability of the Fieldbus network throughout its lifetime. Foundation Fieldbus is widely used in the process industries as a digital network for the control of field instrumentation. It delivers true multi-drop capability and high signal integrity. Diagnostic information on the health of instrument sensors and actuators is provided in real time to indicate a good, bad, or uncertain status for each measurement. However, the network itself is at risk if the physical layer electrical network is not robust. Here, failure could lead to the loss of complete segments containing multiple field devices with the risk of lost production. MTL's F809F Plus gives you peace of mind that the health of your Foundation Fieldbus network is being continually monitored and that emerging faults will be automatically announced. The F809F Plus module is the only additional hardware you need to implement the physical diagnostic capability. It is simple to install and easy to configure. F809F Plus simply plugs into a dedicated slot on the module carrier for the Fieldbus power supplies, such as MTL's F800 and 9180 Series 8 segment units. Using this diagnostic product means for you low capital cost per monitored segment, compatibility with all major DCS systems, no additional communication hardware is required, low integration costs, no software license fees. It couldn't be simpler. Each F809F Plus diagnostic module enables you to monitor up to 8 segments simultaneously, driving down the capital cost per monitored segment. It measures key parameters associated with the physical layer components, which include the conditioned power supplies, device couplers, and interconnecting wiring. The parameters measured by F809F Plus have been carefully chosen to provide the richest information, unambiguous and actionable measurements which save you time and resources. They include the voltage of each segment, device's signal levels, electrical noise, and retransmission characteristics. Additional measurements detect cable faults and failure of ancillary power supplies. The F809F Plus communicates its diagnostic information as a Foundation Fieldbus device, which means that it is automatically recognized by the host control system. It may be assigned to one of the measured segments or to a separate segment dedicated to physical layer diagnostics. This architecture eliminates the cost associated with additional communication network components. Within the control room, the diagnostic information may be viewed either as a native Fieldbus device in the host control system's device management environment, or via dedicated EDDL or Device Type Manager (DTM) user interfaces, which are free to download from MTL's website. Here we see the DTM interface. It uses Namur NE107 compliant status symbols for easy recognition of failure conditions, and it's been designed to be easily interpreted by operators who have no prior knowledge of Foundation Fieldbus networks. The home view gives an overview of the overall network. In this case, it shows a healthy network with no faults announced on any segments, as indicated by green symbols in accordance with the NE107 standard. Clicking on the System Transducer block in the left-hand tree menu displays the diagnostic measurements that are common to all the monitored segments, such as the 24-volt redundant power supply feeds and the diagnostic module temperature. The segments to be monitored by the diagnostic module may be selected by clicking the appropriate tick boxes. The diagnostic parameters for individual segments may be viewed by opening their segment transducer block, in this case segment 2. Here we see parameters such as the segment voltage and the device tag and lowest signal level of any device on the segment. Total retransmissions on the segment since the last reset are also displayed. Scrolling down the segment view reveals the measured average and peak noise in each of 3 frequency bands. Note that in the Configure/Setup view, the pre-alert and alert limits for each measured parameter are also displayed. During setup, the limits can be automatically set to default values by clicking the Alarm Limits Optimization button. This significantly reduces the setup time by applying predefined limits based on the Fieldbus power supply type and measured actual values. All the alert and pre-alert levels may, however, be manually amended to suit the project requirements. Within a segment, individual device parameters can be inspected by clicking on their respective names within the tree view. Here, the signal level and address of the device with tag TI344 column 5 are displayed. This is a healthy device, as indicated again by the green Nemure symbol. Note again that the pre-alert and alert limits for the signal level and retransmissions rate and count are displayed in the Configure/Setup tab view. If a measured noise level, in this case the peak in-band segment noise for segment 2, exceeds the pre-alert level, the appropriate Needs Maintenance Nemure symbol is displayed in the relevant segment view. See how the symbol ripples up to the top-level F809F+ view, so that the alert is visible even if the segment tree view is collapsed. The Graph Overview tab in the segment view reveals a graphical representation of the measured parameters for each segment. The black polygon joins the actual parameter on each radial arm of the diagram. For a healthy segment, the polygon remains within the green area to indicate that each parameter is healthy. Note here that the line extends into the blue alert area for the detected in-band noise measurement. If a terminator is missing from the segment, most likely at the device coupler in the field junction box, the signal level of all devices will exceed the pre-alert or alert limits on the affected segment. This measurement feature is ideal during the commissioning phase of a new Fieldbus installation, since the F809F+ automatically detects missing terminators. Here we see a low signal level on a single field device, indicating that an individual Fieldbus device or its spur connection are defective. As the signal level falls further, the affected device fails to respond to Fieldbus messages from the link active scheduler and retransmissions occur. This trips the retransmissions rate pre-alert limit. Although the host control system may accommodate the fault by sending message retries, immediate remedial action needs to be taken before communication with the affected field device is lost altogether. The F809F+ can also detect short circuits between the Fieldbus plus or minus signal wires and the cable shield. Although the Fieldbus network is likely to continue to operate in the event of a first short circuit, a second fault could result in loss of a complete segment. Here, a short circuit has been detected between the Fieldbus negative connection and shield, and a maintenance activity should be initiated to trace the location of the cable fault. F809F Plus is a permanently installed diagnostic monitor, which means installations comprising many thousands of segments can be monitored. Physical layer faults are automatically detected. Standard DCS tools can be used to trend deteriorating parameters. Costs of scheduled maintenance activities are reduced. F809F Plus is the simple way to keep your Foundation Fieldbus network healthy.